podcast. Today we'll talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your Angry Birds app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings. When you just click on settings, it's going to show for you a list like this here. So then you go down, just keep going down here, click on apps, come to apps list here, and there you're looking for Angry Birds app. So then all you have to do, just click on search here. So then here at here birds to up here, or just click here on angry birds to up. It's going to show for you like this. Click on it, then it's going to take you to this list. Click on force stop, then you click on OK, then you go down, just click on storage, come to storage list here, just click on clear cache. Then all you have to do, just turn off your Wi-Fi and turn on it again, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.